Hi, my name is Daniel and welcome to Talkingvet. Today I quickly want to show you how to get started with the new Talkingvet macOS client. So first, we're going to navigate to the download link we were provided with, and that will immediately begin the download. You can then view the progress by clicking up here, and it shouldn't take too long at all. Alright, once that's finished, you're going to want to double click that file to open the download, and then you'll be prompted to drag Talkingvet into the applications folder. Once you do that, Talkingvet is then installed. And now we can go ahead and double click the applications folder and then double click the Talkingvet application to open it. The first time you do this, a prompt will appear and you're just going to click open. And now another prompt will appear to open system settings. Go ahead and do that. And this may look different depending on the version of macOS you have. But regardless, we just want to grant accessibility access to Talkingvet. Now doing this may ask you for your admin username and password. So go ahead and put that in. And then once we've done that, we just want to close and reopen Talkingvet to apply the changes we've made. Now when you reopen Talkingvet, it'll ask how you want to go about checking for updates. Just go ahead and click check automatically. And there we go. Now we could sign into Talkingvet. Please note that you have to make sure the server dropdown has the correct country listed, either healthcare or Canada. And then you can go ahead and log in. You'll be prompted to allow microphone access. Go ahead and click OK. All right, and now we have the Talkingvet window open, and we're good to start dictating. So you'll notice that on the top left of your Mac, you'll see the Talkingvet menu. These dropdowns are where you can find all settings related to Talkingvet, such as selected microphone, templates, and more. These are very similar to your current version of Talkingvet settings. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not hesitate to reach out if you need any assistance.